after me. Are you ready? My dear kiddies morticians, you are my schoolmate and friends. We share fun and learnings. We share most of our things. These candies symbolize my love, care, and friendship. I love you. God bless you. Okay, now exchange candies and hug your kiddies mortician friend. Once you're done exchanging candies, you can now go back to your seats. Let us now welcome Kuya Jeff to reveal us the secret of magic.
Such a feeling's coming over me. There is wonder in most everything I see. Not a cloud in the sky, got the sun in my eyes, and I won't be surprised if it's a dream. Everything I want the world to be is now coming true, especially for me. It's because you are here. You're the nearest thing to heaven that I've seen. I'm on the top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I've found ever since you've been around. Yours put me at the top of the world. Learn my name, and it's telling me that things are not the same. In the leaves of the trees and the touch of the breeze, there's a pleasing sense of happiness for me. There is only one wish on my mind. When this day is through, I hope that I will find that tomorrow will be just the same for you and me. All I need will be mine if you are here. I'm on top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Yours put me at the top of the world. I'm on top of the world, down on creation, and the only explanation I can find is the love that I found ever since you've been around. Yours put me at the top of the world.
Okay, thank you so much to all the kiddies morticians. Dear morticians, soar high and reach the top of the world. Wow, and very good kiddies mortician. Again, your school, Smarties Academy, the administrators and teachers, your parents, your family are here to support you to reach for your dreams. So hi, PD Smarticians,
Your program host, Miss Ira J. Amper, Mr. Julius Ebuana,
saying thank you, we love you, and God bless you all. Here are some reminders. You may claim your child's lollipop from the advisors, present the claim stub and gain your cotton candies and party souvenirs. Once again, maraming salamat po, dear parents, and God bless us all. Thank you so much, grade 3 pupils. You can now go back to your seats. The Smarties slogan, Smarties for Life,